Visit Pasadena. There are a variety of tours you can take to explore different aspects of Pasadena. The Pasadena Tour Company offers 2 neighborhood walking tours and a couple driving tours of Pasadena's distinctive neighborhoods. Day Tripper Guided Walking Tours features tours of Old Pasadena and Pasadena Civic Center on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and the first Saturday of the month. Cyclists will enjoy the Bikes and Hikes LA excursion, which has 2 different bike and hike tours in Pasadena and several hikes in the surrounding areas. Meanwhile, Melting Pot Food Tours organizes 3.5-hour Old Pasadena food tasting walking tours on Saturdays and Sundays at 10:30 a.m. and if you're still hungry, try the Foody Field Trips Historic Pasadena Food Tasting Tour on Saturday and Sunday mornings at 9:45 a.m. Probably the most popular tour, however, is the Old Pasadena Walking Tour, a monthly historical and architectural tour of Old Pasadena offered by the Pasadena Heritage Society on the first Saturday of each month, except for July and October. Check Groupon for discounts on Pasadena tours, attractions, and events.